Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself liking this video, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on it. It will help me grow as a channel and that would be really awesome. Anyway, today we are making a healthy berry cobbler. Okay, let's check out our ingredients. First up, you want to heat up your saucepan to about a medium heat, and then you want to throw in your butter. When that is completely melted, it's time to add in your fruit. Once the fruit has kind of stewed down a little bit and you can see that it's reduced in size and has become a kind of mushy, you'll want to add in your sweetener. Today I'm using maple syrup. Now that that is nicely combined, I've stirred it up. You're going to want to add in your vanilla extract. And if you notice that there's quite a bit of moisture and a bit of water in that sauce of yours, go ahead and take some arrowroot starch, add it into a few tablespoons of water, and then pour it into your saucepan. You will then see that the sauce kind of starts to thicken up, and that's exactly what you want. And then pour it into your dish, whatever dish you use. And done! That was such an easy recipe, a no-bake berry cobbler, perfect for any occasion. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.